And so we have come again in knocking questions out. So this is another question we want to knock out. So we want to, let's check this question. It looks like matrices and determinants. So we can easily solve this one. It says given that 2, 3, minus 3, 1 and 4 and this one is equal to 3 and minus 26, and we are finding this p. So let's quickly get at it. To solve this solution now, we can quickly multiply this together. So we will equate it to be this. I call that equality of matrix. So if I multiply this one, and don't forget multiplication has this rule, this against this one. So to solve this one, I will have 2 multiplied by 6. So let me quickly go straight to point. So 2 multiplied by minus 6, that is minus 12, plus minus 3 multiplied by p, that is minus 3p. That is how it works. That is how multiplication of matrices works. So then I'll go for this one against this as well. That is going to be minus 6 plus 4 multiplied by p, that is 4p. That is what we have there. So it's equal to 3 and minus 26. So this is more like this is equality of matrix. So I can have 12 minus 3p here. Then I'll have minus 6 plus 4p here equals 3 and minus 26. Equality of matrix tells us this one can be equal to this, while this one can be equal to this. So because we are solving for p, we can pick any of the two because definitely they are going to give us the same answer. So we can have minus 12 minus 3p here is equal to 3. So once I send this one to this side, it becomes plus 12, so that is 15. So I have minus 3p plus is equal to plus 15. So my p is equal to minus 5. That is, if I divide both sides by minus 3, I have my p to be equal to minus 5. Let's check this other one to be sure if we are actually correct. Let's say minus 6 plus 4p is going to give us minus 26. So if I send this minus 6 to this side, I have 4p is equal to minus 26 plus 6. So I have 4p is equal to minus 20. So if I divide both sides by 4, I will have p is equal to minus 5, which is the same thing that I got here. That's all. It's an objective question, so it is not giving us luxury of having to spend forever on it. That's why it has to be sharp. It has to be very fast like that. So that is all. So our p is minus 5. So the p here is originally minus 5. That is all about the question. If you have any question, please, or any comment, drop it at comment section. We can address it together. So, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and also press the notification button. So anytime we have fantastic, interesting questions to deal with now, we can trash it out together. And don't forget, my name is Muya Fawale and I teach math, also make film. Bye.